Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into some exciting new leaks surrounding DJI's upcoming drone, the DJI Air 3S. If you're a drone enthusiast, a professional photographer, or just someone who loves to stay on top of the latest tech, you won't want to miss this. The DJI Air 3S is rumored to be a game changer in the mid-range drone market, and we've got all the juicy details, from its potential launch date, camera upgrades, flight features, and everything in between. We'll break down what you can expect from this highly anticipated drone and why it might be the next must-have gadget for aerial photography and videography. If you want to dive deeper into the leaks or stay updated, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech news and leaks. Now let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about the design of the DJI Air 3S. While it's expected to follow the same sleek and foldable design as the Air 3, it's definitely a step above in terms of build quality. This is going to be a compact, travel-friendly drone, perfect for enthusiasts who want something portable without compromising on performance. However, because it's likely to weigh over 250 grams, you'll need to get certified to fly it in some regions like Europe. The drone is rumored to come with two remote controller options, the RC N3 and the RC2, giving users more flexibility when it comes to control. Now, the camera system is where things get really exciting. The DJI Air 3S is rumored to feature a dual camera setup, just like its predecessor, but with one major upgrade, a 1-inch sensor on one of the cameras. This would be a significant improvement over the Air 3, which had two 1/1.3-inch sensors. With this bigger sensor, you're looking at sharper images, better dynamic range, and significantly improved low-light performance. Whether you're into aerial photography or shooting cinematic videos, this upgrade is going to make a big difference. Imagine capturing stunning landscapes with even more detail and clarity. Let's move on to flight performance. The DJI Air 3S is rumored to feature LiDAR technology, which would be a first for DJI's consumer-level drones. LiDAR could make flying even more stable, especially in tricky environments or low-light conditions, and could seriously up the game in terms of obstacle avoidance. We're expecting a flight time similar to the Air 3, which is around 46 minutes per charge. Plenty of time to capture those epic shots. And of course, you'll get all the classic DJI flight modes like active track, waypoints, and point of interest, making it super easy to get professional-level shots even if you're not an expert pilot. Now let's talk about pricing. While there's no official word yet, leaks suggest that DJI Air 3S will be priced somewhere between $999 and $1,499, depending on the region and the package you choose. This price range positions it competitively within the mid-range drone market, especially considering the impressive features we're expecting. In addition to the standard model, there will likely be different bundles available, including Fly More combos that come with extra batteries, propellers, and various accessories to enhance your flying experience. While these bundles might come at a higher price point, they are definitely worth the investment for anyone planning extended shooting sessions or looking to maximize their aerial photography capabilities. With added convenience and longevity, these combos can significantly improve your overall flying experience. So, when can we expect the DJI Air 3S to hit the shelves? Well, leaks suggest that DJI Air 3S could launch in late September or early October, with some sources hinting at a possible drop as early as September 25th. While the excitement is building, we should take these dates with caution until DJI makes an official announcement. It's clear that DJI is preparing for another major release, and if the rumors hold true, the Air 3S will be an outstanding choice for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. With its rumored advanced features, it promises a great balance of performance and price, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. And these are some leaks of upcoming DJI Air 3S. If you want more information about this drone, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.